Uganda recorded a decline in economic activity between March and June 2020. This, in turn, reduced government revenue.
More recently, in the last 2 months, June, July, we have seen some signs of recovery. The question is, will this be sustained? Or this is just a spike which will turn down the line? And that will depend on a number of things, of course. Also, one thing we have noted in this recovery is that although the enterprises have resumed activity, what is reported is that the jobs have continued to be reduced, sort of pointing to what was highlighted in the earlier presentation of jobless recovery or jobless growth. So in policy-wise, we have to look out for that.
Under the theme Unlocking New Opportunities for Inclusive Growth during and after COVID-19, financial sector stakeholders have fronted various ways to achieve the objective.
So that industry of which ends in the bar is actually longer. The people in Soroti, Bukedea, who are growing the sorghum for the breweries are all now jobless. Now we are talking about creating jobs. Really?
Now health is the elephant in the room right now. And we were discussing with colleagues this morning that health is now very sentimental. No one wants us to discuss what is happening in health, but it is taking a lot of our resources as a country. So the question we need to deal with is the efficiency and effectiveness of application of these resources. Right now, because people are so scared, they are using the scare for us to allocate resources to health.
Why are we increasing at this juncture the parliament? Why are we increasing the number of districts? And how are we increasing these cities? These are public expenditures which I think shouldn't be coming when we are right now suffering from the deficits which we are talking about.
As some sectors of the economy recover, it is the concern of the Finance Ministry to increase liquidity within the population and businesses.
Reducing expenditure now is something that is not desirable because of two things. One, of course, you have elections now. Two, you have to spend money on health-related activities of COVID, which has come in. And three, you want to bring back the economy, which was destroyed. So you need to build aggregate demand. It is not going to come from private sector. So if you cut expenditures, you cannot bring aggregate demand to come down in the short run.
The conference is expected to facilitate measures to restore household incomes, safeguard jobs, provide social protection, and reignite business activity. Wadulo Makanold, UBC News.